James was a young man with big dreams of becoming a successful businessman. Despite growing up in a family that struggled to make ends meet, he was determined to achieve his goals. After finishing high school, James decided to pursue a degree in business at a local college. He worked part-time jobs to pay for his tuition and expenses and spent every spare moment studying and working on his business plans. However, James faced many challenges along the way. He struggled to keep up with his coursework while working long hours, and his business ideas were often met with skepticism and rejection. Despite the obstacles in his path, James refused to give up. He knew that success would not come easily and was willing to do whatever it took to achieve his goals. James's perseverance paid off when he landed a job at a top consulting firm. He quickly proved himself to be a valuable asset to the team, using his skills and expertise to help clients achieve their goals. With his success in the business world, James was finally able to pursue his dream of starting his own company. However, James's entrepreneurial journey was not without its setbacks and challenges. His company struggled to gain traction in the market, and he faced fierce competition from established players in the industry. But he refused to give up, continuing to work hard, innovate, and find new ways to grow his business. Slowly but surely, James's perseverance paid off. His company began to gain momentum, and his hard work and dedication began to pay dividends. He was able to attract new clients, build his team, and expand his business into new markets. Years later, James looked back on his journey with pride and satisfaction. He knew that his success was not the result of luck or talent alone, but of his unwavering commitment to his goals and his willingness to persevere in the face of adversity. James's story teaches us a powerful lesson: success is not easy, but it is always possible for those who are willing to work hard, learn from their failures, and persevere in the face of adversity. No matter how difficult the road may seem, if you remain committed to your goals and never give up, you can achieve great things and make your dreams a reality.